Alright, so I realized I already did all my crimp connections before I remember to actually do the video. So I'll be doing the video without actually crimping the wire today, but just so you can get that general idea of how to use this. This is the YQK-70. Got it from Amazon, about 36 bucks. You're gonna need some of these. This actually fit KNU Concepts, the Flex Zero or 1/0. So yeah, it actually does fit. You just gotta be real careful, get all the strands in there, but it fits, tightly, mind you, but it does. So this one, the instructions it didn't really come with instructions, really, just specifications. So I didn't know how to take these out. I actually used vice grips the first time. To figure it out, you take the Allen wrench, insert it in there, loosen it up. These slide out. Shoot, how to get out? Oh, it slides out, so you want to turn it all the way to off. Then the bottom cylinder thing will, go. The piston will actually retract. You'll take out the Allen wrench, slide this off. While that's off, then you'll turn it to on. Turn the tool on. It's already on. You'll crank it a couple times, I'm using my hip to crank it because I'm using my phone in the other hand. But then you can see that Allen wrench thing. So you take that out. Once you have that out, and the top piece should actually be off by the time you do this. So that should not be here. Should have enough space to slide this up and out. For the KNU Concepts 1/0, right? It does come with 50. It does come with 50. I mean, and the 50 is nice. I mean, it crimps nice, but I actually prefer to use the 35 for the KNU Concepts. It does create small dog ears. It does, but to me, it's a tighter crimp, and I'd rather have it a lot tighter than neater with the 50. I mean, I could be wrong. I could have done all of my crimps wrong, but that's how I did it with the 35. So insert 35 into the bottom first. You put that in the bottom. You tighten up that there hex screw there. Tighten that up. Make sure it's square and everything. And then you will turn it back to off. Turn it back to off. And as you saw, it did retract. I'll do it again so others can see it. I mean, alright, so this, so you can kind of see it better. See, retracts. Now that that's retracted, then you'll slide your other piece in there, tighten that up, make sure they're both square with each other, and you're good to go. That's how you would set it up. And of course, I mean, every YouTuber who does car audio, they probably already showed you. Put this in there, turn it to on, and then just, have at it. Crimp. I go until I hear like this kind of like it's kind of like a fluid, like you can hear the fluid being pressed through the valves. I don't know how best to describe it, but that's how far I go, and that's when I know it's tight enough. For me, I mean, sometimes, especially after doing so many crimps, I get tired. So I figured it's best to put the handle down, hold on to the big part, and then push down. I mean, obviously, you probably supposed to put the big part down and then handle, or you use your chest muscles and just use both hands and do it that way. I mean, whatever works for you though. But that's how I did mine. I'll put the link in the description, but these terminals did come with heat shrink, and the heat shrink's actually not that bad. I mean, I used all the black ones for my negatives instead of red because I do have the blue KNU Concepts. I used the new Concepts. They're blue. I believe it's 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 heat shrink. I use that instead of the red because I want everything to kind of match a little bit. But yeah, that's how you use the YQ. Use that. Yeah. All right.